Oh boy, 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 oh my goodness. Boy, oh 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 boy, oh. Alright, y'all. Just showed up. Look what just showed up. Alright everybody, so what we have in these boxes, you can probably already guess. I have some new wheels for the Cayman, woohoo! Alright, what do you say we do an unboxing of the new wheels? Choo, I can't wait! I've been waiting for these wheels for some time now. It's been an idea to get them on the car for well over 2 years. And when I finally talked to BBS about it and got Eric at Supreme Power on board with them, he was super confident and getting very excited to get these out to me. And after just a short 18 months of waiting, they finally arrived, and I'm about to reveal them for the first time. So let's check it out. This is it. Here we go for the first time. I know it's super geeky to geek out on wheels, but it's so good. It is jewelry. Holy buckets. I never thought I could be this excited about wheels. All right, so what we're looking at right here are BBS E88 three-piece wheels, and they were custom built for my car. They don't just stock these, so I had to order them specifically for my car. They should be hopefully be the exact right size, right offset, for just an easy bolt up. And let's give it a try, shall we? We are wasting no extra time getting these to the tire shop to get them mounted up. I know, look at the winter all around us. This is not ideal for the driving weather, but I might as well get them mounted up, make sure everything fits, make sure everything looks good. All right, so we're off to Samaritan Tire to get these things mounted up. They are the best in the business when it comes to wheels and tires and all that sort of stuff. So we're gonna get there in 3, 2, 1. All right, welcome to Samaritan Tire. These guys are the best tire and wheel guys in the Twin Cities. I'm about to mount up the BBSs, so stay tuned, here we go.
You on my mind a lot, don't need no time watch. I don't know how I got you in my pocket spot. Yeah, that's babe, need you every day. You like my oxygen, make it seem like the barging down. Got my heart no barging in, from the bed to the floor to the couch. Might wake the neighbors up, break you in then break you out. In the end we gon' make a child, then we gon' hit the show. Part 2 we don't need no pause. You Misty, we gon' get tipsy, don't need a power shot.
Alright, huge shout out to the guys at Samaritan. You guys did great work. We got the BBSs all mounted up. Brand new rubber PS4Ss, Michelin's. And now we get to go test them on the car. But thank you very much, Samaritan. I'll be back.
Whoa! Who knew I would make it this far? They hated, they never believed me. Yeah, I would never drop the ball. I know I make it look easy. Yeah, Mayweather with the defense. I don't care what a critic got to say. I got them picking up the pieces. That to me, you really playing with your life. I'm about to come and run it all back. I'm the new era, about to snap back. You ain't fitting for it, cause you all cap like. Hold up. I shoot my shot, wait, hold up. I'm really about to run this go up. You know it's all net when it go up. Ain't got no other plans, you don't need to understand. Ay, we on overtime, you don't need to understand. Ay, you just show them how to do it when you don't know what to say. Tell me how you plan to win if you plan to play the same. Moving fast, already gone, yeah, but you bringing me back. Try to double cross me, dog, just let me relax. Stop assuming what we doing. Keep it games with me, I promise I'm too much. Ay, I can never let up even if you had enough. Ay, this ain't for the faint of heart, we always playing rough. I had enough, it ain't luck. I needed a vision, I needed ambition, I needed a mission to be this submission with no intermission. I see the collision, the crash and the distance, they coming off track. No, now when they ask what's the motive, don't talk Try to double cross me, dog. Just let me relax. Stop assuming what we doing.